Well, hello there, and good evening, everyone. I'm William Brantley from the North Jackson, Tennessee area near Union University, ready to give you today's climate summary and a forecast for the next few days here in just a few moments. Boy, wasn't it windy today. My goodness. We had a wind gust here in Jackson at the Jackson, Tennessee airport of 43 miles per hour early this morning, right around 8 a.m. at 7:56 a.m. Very windy at the Jackson airport and throughout Madison County. And one of Memphis's TV stations, I believe it was Channel 3, WREG TV3, they had a wind gust about the same time of 61 miles per hour down there. So it was good and windy no matter how you look at it. But here in Jackson at the airport, like I said, 43 mile an hour wind gust at about 8 a.m. this morning. And it's still a little windy out there right now. As of 5 p.m., the skies were cloudy. The temperature was 57 degrees. The dew point was 53 degrees. The relative humidity was 84%. The barometric, I'll go ahead and give you that one. Barometric pressure was 30.00. And the winds at 5 o'clock was out of the south at 14 miles per hour, gusting to 21 miles per hour. So that's still strong enough. And there is a wind advisory for all of West Tennessee until 6 p.m. tonight. But after 6 p.m., the wind should start dying down some and average roughly 10 to 20, maybe 25 miles per hour for the remainder of the night. But it was not going to be super strong like it was earlier this morning, after 6 o'clock tonight, that is. The low today, by the way, was 44. Hey, it was above freezing, finally. All right. I'll take it. 28 degrees is normal for a low. Today's high was 57 degrees, which is the 5 o'clock temperature as well. Normal high is 48, so we got close to 60. And I've had 1/100th of an inch of rain here in the North Jackson area near Union University. Since midnight, a little quick shower moved through during the 3 p.m. hour, and I believe around the 3 a.m. hour also. All of the heavier rain, if you can call it heavier, or steady rain might be a better word, is south of us down in northern Mississippi. It kind of stretches from roughly Nashville all the way to Tunica, Mississippi, and moving east. So we're going to miss most of that. We'll just get little quick light shower spurts from time to time overnight, for tonight at least. All right, little quickie on the weather forecast there. Today's lowest relative humidity, by the way, was 54%, and that was at 12 a.m., midnight. Highest relative humidity was 84%, and that was at 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. Let's see, what's next? The sunrise. Yeah, it rises tomorrow morning at 7:05 a.m. Sunsets tomorrow evening at 5:02 p.m. The moon will be rising tomorrow afternoon at 4:35 p.m. and set Thursday morning or tomorrow night late at 6:01 a.m. Thursday morning, the 12th. Yeah, the 12th. All right, on today's records for January the 10th, the record hottest high today would be 73 in 1949. The coldest high would be 9 in 1962. The warmest low would be 53 in 1963. And the coldest low would be -3, and that was in 1982. Today's record rainfall, doozy, had 3.45 inches of rain today in 1971. That's a lot of rain, 3.5 inches roughly. Today's snowfall record, pretty big on that too. 4 inches of snow today, January the 10th, 1997. So we've had some weather extreme records on the rainfall and the snow for January the 10th, but of course different years. On to the night's forecast. It looks like it's going to be mostly cloudy generally, with maybe a 30-40% chance for some scattered light rain showers. Most of it, like I said, is well south and east of us, of Jackson, Tennessee, that is, and probably will remain so for a good portion of the night. but it will increase some after midnight, and the chances become 70% after midnight till around noon tomorrow. And the low should be about 52. The high tomorrow should be about 67. We'll have south winds tomorrow at 15 to 30 miles per hour, so it'll be a little windy tomorrow as well. But the rain should come to an end by tomorrow afternoon for a few hours anyways. And then it'll return on Thursday. It's going to be mostly cloudy with a 70% chance of rain on Thursday, with a low near 61 and a high of 66, with south winds at 15 to 30, so it'll be a little windy even on Thursday. Friday, it looks like it's going to be cloudy with a 60% chance of more rain, with a low near 46 and a high of only 48, with northeast winds at 10 to 20. On Saturday, it looks like it's going to be, mostly cloudy with a 70% chance of more rain, with a low near 46 and a high of 59. Now, most of these 60 and 70% chances of rain is not calling for heavy rain, kind of like a steady rain kind of ideal. Okay, we should have south winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour on Saturday. Sunday, the 15th, cloudy skies continue with another 70% chance for rain by sunset. Okay, I got that one. So it means that Sunday morning, the morning hours will be just cloudy, no rain, but a 70% chance of rain kicking back in by Sunday night, with a low near 43 and a high of 58 on Sunday, with northeast winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Pardon my looks on the camera here. And next Monday, the 16th, Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday, we have a 70% chance of rain by afternoon, mostly cloudy during the AM hours, but a 70% chance of rain during the PM hours, with a low near 47 and a high of 68. It'll be rather warm actually on that day, with southwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. So it'll be a little windy on Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday. And as of right now, it appears like the greatest threat for rain on Martin Luther King Day is from 3 p.m. on to midnight. Again, it won't be constant, but it'd be fairly steady. Occasional might be a better word to use. Well, that's the forecast for now. I'm going to cut it off at that and let that be for tonight. And I wanted to wish a special, by the way, happy birthday to my oldest sister, Deborah, as most people call her, Deborah Ann Brantley. She's 57 today, I think. So she's 3 years younger than me, and I'm going to be 60 next month myself. But anyways, I'll worry about that when it gets closer. But happy birthday to my sister Deborah Ann Brantley. And I hope she has a good birthday, and I'm sure she will. And I'll probably participate in some sort of birthday party before the night's over with for her. But anyways. All right, well, that's it for tonight, folks. I hope all of you have a great night, Tuesday, January the 10th. And the weather's not going to get in the way too bad. Then I hope you wake up to a beautiful Wednesday, January the 10th, Wednesday, January 11th, I should say, 2017, tomorrow morning. And hope to have an update for you again about this time tomorrow evening. Well, alrighty, have a good day and good night, sweet dreams, and God bless.